Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. It's a Spanish one, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page you have to go to new stickers at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker, and you will also find many other viral trends like this one, for example, or this one. So there we have it. From here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve this problem. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one. You can place your sticker where you want, and once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now let me show you from where you can get a tutorial if you are not able to click on the add yours button. From my page you have to go to super viral at highlights on my page, and here the first story, it's this one. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. And if you want more add yours viral stickers, then you can check this YouTube channel, and you can also subscribe if you want. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.